Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we were talking about interrogative sentences. What we were doing? We were changing affirmative sentence, or you can say assertive sentence. We were changing that sentences to interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means what? The sentences which have question mark. And yesterday we completed 5 sentences. Today we are going to complete more 2 sentences, and this, all 7 sentences you have to write down in your English grammar notebook. Okay. Now here the 6th sentence which is given here is, they have not eaten all the food. They have not eaten all the food means what? कुणीच जेवण खाल्लेलं नाही. Now this sentence we have to change into interrogation, interrogative, question mark. So we have to start, many times I have told you, we have to start our question mark with verb, and verb will be followed by noun. After verb what will be there? After verb noun will be there. So have is an verb. Okay. So have they not eaten at all the food? Can we make like this sentence? Have they not eaten all the food? Yes, it is correct. So what will be our 6th answer? Have they not eaten all the food? Have they not eaten all the food? Question mark. Interrogative sentence has question mark. Okay. Next sentence which is written on the board is, he has jaundice. Now there is a person who has jaundice. Jaundice means what? I think so in Marathi it is called kavid. Jaundice means what? Kavid. He has jaundice. Jaundice. Now what we have to do? We have to make question mark from this. Now in this sentence, what is verb? Has is verb and he is what? Pronoun. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to take verb first. So what answer we can make? Has he jaundice? Has he jaundice? Question mark. Has he jaundice? Then we can give answer. Yes, he has jaundice. Okay. Has he jaundice? Yes, he has jaundice. Have they not eaten all the food? No, they have not eaten all the food. In this way, yesterday we completed 5 sentences, and 6th and 7th sentence we have completed now. After that, we are going to study 4th class of the sentence. Total how many are there? Total 4 over there. From that we studied assertive sentence, we studied about exclamatory sentence. Yesterday we studied about interrogative sentence, and today we are going to study imperative sentence. Now what are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are those sentences in which we ask for request. We request. If we have any wish, that time also which sentence do we use? We use imperative sentence. If we want to give advice to someone, that time also which sentence do we use? We use imperative sentence. And if we want to give command, that time also we use which type of sentence? We use imperative sentences. Now there are 4 types of imperative sentences. Have request, imperative sentences have command, imperative sentences have advice, and imperative sentences have wish. 4, keep in mind, 4 things are there in imperative sentence. Now I will show you some sentences in which wish is asked. Now look here. Imperative sentences. Study the examples given below. First, do me a favor please. What is first sentence? Do me a favor please. Then when we say please, that time what we do? We do request. What we do? We do request. Can you see request? Yes. Second sentence which is given here is, avoid going deep in the sea. What is next sentence? Avoid going deep into the sea. Advice is given. Advice means what? Suchna dene. Correct or not? Request means what? What we call for request in Marathi? When we ask something, I am not getting exact word in Marathi, but for request, vinanti karne. Yes, for request we can call vinanti karne. For advice we can say suchna dene. Third one is I wish I had a diamond necklace. This is what wish. Wish means what? Ichha. Okay. Fourth one, get down from the stairs. Command. Command means what? Order is given, right or not? So your definition is given. Statements have a command, a request, an advice, or a wish are called imperative sentences. What are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences have a command. Imperative sentences have a command. Imperative sentences or statements which have command, which have a request, which have an advice, and which have a wish. Those sentences are called imperative sentences. परत एकदा सांगते, ज्या सेंटेन्सेस मध्ये आपण रिक्वेस्ट करतो, कमांड करतो, ॲडवाइस देतो आणि one is left, that is what, and in the sentence in which we express our wish, this all sentences are called which sentences? These all sentences are called imperative sentences. Now here one note is given about imperative sentences. An imperative sentence can either be affirmative or negative. तो एक तर affirmative पण असू शकतो किंवा negative पण असू शकतो. And second note is an imperative sentence always ends with a full stop. With what does it end? It ends with full stop. Okay? You can see here. All four sentences are ending with what? All four sentences are ending with what? Full stop. Full stop is there. Full stop is there. After necklace, full stop is there. After stairs, full stop is there. Right. Yes. Now, I am turning page and we are going to do question number 3. Can you see? Identify the following sentences as a command, request, advice or wish. Now what we have to do, there are 8 sentences given, and from that 8 sentences, what are those sentences that we have to identify? Whether it is command, whether it is request. Command वाक्य कोणतं आहे? कमांड आहे की रिक्वेस्ट आहे की ॲडवाइस आहे विश आहे? फर्स्ट वन, hope you stand first in the class. Now someone is having some wish. If two friends are there and they are talking with each other, then one friend is saying, hope you stand first in the class. That is what? Wish. So what is first sentence? First sentence is wish. Second one, finish eating your food fast. If students are sitting in the class and the teacher is taking rounds in the classroom, what teacher it says? Finish your food. What? Finish eating your food fast. That is what? It is a command. Okay, second sentence is what? Command. Third, please get me the glass from the table. When please is used, then that is what? Request. Correct? Third sentence is what? Request. Please get me the glass from the table. That is what? Request. Fourth one, would you be kind enough to open the door or open the window? Would you be kind enough to open the window? Advice. Are you enough? Your strength is enough to open the window? That is what? That is an advice. Fifth one is don't dirty the room. Room dirty karu naka. Okay, we say in classroom also, don't make your classroom dirty. Principal sir will take rounds. What we say? That is what? Command. Fifth one is what? Command. Don't dirty the classroom or don't dirty the room. Sixth one is you should brush your teeth twice a day. What is next sentence? You should brush your teeth You should brush your teeth twice a day. That is what advice. Seventh one, silence please. What is seventh one? Silence please means be quiet. So request, it is request. And eighth one, I wish I were a painter. माझी wish आहे की मी पेंटर पाहिजे होतो. That is what then last sentence is of wish. In this way, today's your homework is what? You have to write down this question number 3 in your English grammar notebook, and you have to write down all these 8 sentences, and in front side of these 8 sentences you have to write down it is command, or it is request, or it is advice, or it is wish. Okay, that is your homework for today, and please complete your question number 3 today in English grammar notebook. Okay, thank you.